This is our MyoCycle. This uses functional electrical stimulation. So I have our patient connected to electrode pads that feed electricity to that muscle and help enhance the muscle work. It's very good for any patients with any kind of strength deficits. I personally use it on a lot of spinal cord injury patients as well as stroke, and it just allows them to go through a natural motion and get a little bit enhanced of the muscle work. On our machine, it gives good visual feedback and it shows how much power he's using. If it shows the symmetry, so he's pushing a little bit more with his right foot, so I would cue you to try to make it 50-50 like he just did and increase it with his left. So it's really good for a lot of different populations, and it just gives us an extra kind of tool we can use in our box to help enhance the muscle and progress recovery.